how to redeem codes or how to use Monster Legend codes in game. So basically, if you're confused why the title of this video is like this, it's most likely because you're going to search for something like this anyway, but we're just here to give you a direct answer. So unfortunately, there's no official feature that will allow you to redeem codes, most likely because there is no redemption system like many other mobile games. So there's no consistent redeem code button available to all players at all times. So any mention of active codes online usually refers to temporary or limited time events where you can just go ahead and take a look from. But if you do find any codes, most of the time it's not from official sites or from the official Monster Legends themselves. So to answer the question, then unfortunately you won't be able to use Monster Legend codes in game. So hopefully the information of this video can still help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.